Residents of several areas under the Teliamora subdivision have been facing repeated attacks by wild elephants. Herds of elephants frequently enter villages, damaging standing crops, houses, and other property. In several instances, elephant attacks have also claimed human lives, making the situation a matter of serious concern. With the aim of reducing human-elephant conflict and promoting peaceful coexistence, the Khowai Forest Division organized an awareness program on human-elephant coexistence at the Mungyakami BAC Hall on Tuesday. The program was attended by MDC Utpal Debarma of the 11 Maharani ADC constituency, Khowai DFO Ashok Kumar, Teliamora Subdivisional Forest Officer Dinesh Koloi, noted social worker Ashok Debarma and other dignitaries. During the interactive session, local villagers shared their experiences and expressed concern over the frequent elephant incursions into their villages. Forest officials explained the importance of conserving forests, protecting wildlife, ensuring peaceful coexistence between humans and elephants, and avoiding obstruction of traditional elephant corridors. Speaking on the occasion, Khowai DFO Ashok Kumar said that various issues related to human-elephant conflict were discussed in detail. He announced that animal fencing would be installed in vulnerable areas under the Mungyakami RD block to help prevent elephants from entering human settlement and reduce the risk of attacks.
जो सारे स्टेप्स लेंगे, जैसे बाकी जगह पे हमने लिया है, एलिफेंट प्रूफ ट्रेंच है, सोलर फेंसिंग है, हनी बी फेंसिंग है, लेमन फेंसिंग है, इस तरह का फेंसिंग से लेके बाकी लाइवलीहुड से लेके टेक्नोलॉजी जिस तरह से क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं, वही लोगों के साथ में लेके बात हुई थी कि किस तरह से उनके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। ये सारा डिस्कशन हुआ। आज मतलब वही इस चीज़ पे हम पहुँचे हैं कि जो सोल्यूशन लेंगे उससे काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगा। इसमें मेनली हमने वही देखा है कि एलिफेंट प्रूफ ट्रेंच, जो अभी एक अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट हो गई थी, एक जो ओल्ड लेडी की डेथ हो गई थी एलिफेंट से 4 अप्रैल को, तो उस एरिया में हम तुरंत एलिफेंट प्रूफ ट्रेंच करने चाहते हैं जिससे एलिफेंट क्रॉस नहीं करेंगे।
DFO Ashok Kumar also said that volunteers engaged in mitigating human-elephant conflict are receiving their honorariums regularly. He assured them that from now on, the monthly honorarium would be credited by the 5th of every month. He further requested volunteers to inform him immediately if there is any delay in receiving their payments so that the matter can be addressed promptly. Bureau Report, Fact Finder.